Welcome back to the BoostDistrict channel, YouTube. Today, we're gonna be taking you guys for a little field trip. You guys have seen our new giveaway truck, our 2016 Sierra Denali single cab, built motor, built trans, and you guys have seen it in the last previous episode that we put new wheels in this thing. We put some nice intro 24s, and it looks really good. But what we haven't done is to really bring it to you guys and show it in action. We're gonna be taking a little field trip. We're going to the track. We're gonna do a little bit of a burnout pit right there. We're gonna set up a burnout pit and take the guys with us and show you guys this thing in action. We haven't done burnouts with this or really haven't put it in action. So today's the day. Let's go load up this truck, change the wheels, and do a little bit of a burnout competition between the guys. So me, Trent, Gavin, Justin, Diego is gonna be doing some burnouts and donuts with it. I wanna see what it's all about. I wanna see what you guys think it's all about. So I want you guys down in the comment section below rating us, you know, who does the best. I know for a fact that I don't have much experience on doing burnouts, but you know, we have the truck and the power to do it. Might as well put it in the action before we tear it all apart, because the build starts today too. So we're gonna tear it all apart, do a full build, and one of you guys can win this truck. Also, while we're at it, there's our giveaway shirt. This shirt right here gives you 100x entries to win this truck. The rest of the shirts that we have on the website is 50x entries. Just like Diego is wearing the Bandas y Troca shirt, we have a few other drops, and also every single shirt gets you 50x. This one specifically gives you 100x. So head to boostdistrict.com, buy your merch, win this truck. So let's get to it. Let's take the wheels off. Let's put the stock Denali wheels back in it because I don't want to tear these apart. These are brand new tires, brand new wheels and tires. So let's put the wheels back in it, load it up, bring it to the track, and let's get to the action. Let's go. Nothing like driving your new vehicle for the first time. Last time we tried doing this for YouTube, oh God. Last time we tried doing this for YouTube and drove a truck and test drove it, the wheel fell off. So hopefully we don't got that drama in this one. Fun? We're gonna get this down. We're gonna learn how to do this in like a circle like Beto and them does it, right? This is fun. Roll them, roll them. just slosh it out of gas.
How do I look?
That was fun. Now let's see if it starts back up.
Good.
My ear hurt there. Pop the ear.
The dinger is very loud. The dinger?
The seatbelt dinger. Seatbelt chime.
It's routing. Don't run over our boss. Good? No, you're good.
Really good giveaway. It's our very first giveaway. It's been very well welcomed, and I'm excited for the new owner of this car. It's gonna be a really exciting one. It's new for us, new for everybody, but it's been well received. So awesome. Start it up. Start up every time. It looks really good. We need to get some rollers off it. I really like that car a lot. I should have kept it for myself, but I feel like this was the right move for it. What do you think, Diego?
I like it. Something different.
It is different. No, especially not that nice. It has the proper color, proper bodywork, proper power plant, wheels and tires. I can't wait to show them the new wheels and tires that's gonna come with that we just bought. So that's gonna look good.
Are we doing like a bet? They can comment below on who did better?
Yeah, sure, why not? Comment down below. Is it me, Justin, or Gavin that does better donuts? I didn't do a good job, I don't think, but I haven't seen the video, so let me know. I will learn. I will learn. Never done a donut.
You did one burnout like free.
Yeah. We have Justin. Do you want to teach him or should it be Justin? I feel like Justin is more patient. Let's let Justin teach. All right.
No, the irony in that is so many people would disagree.
Well, to me.
To you, sure.
I'm a little nervous. No, I'm just kidding. He's got this. He's got this. He's got this. I've taught him enough. I've taught him enough. He's good. He's got Justin in there.
Whip it. little bit.
Put those hands out. Let me see them. How did he do, Justin? Nah, you did pretty good.
I think it's just because I'm a phenomenal teacher.
You think so?
I think so.
I don't know if it's from you or what.
Pretty good. How do you feel?
I'm not gonna hit the angle like every time I see him.
I was like at least 100 feet away from you. Trust me, I knew to take my space between you.
All right, you did not beat the truck up. Do you want to go one more time? You're good? All right. All right.
No, part of the song. The whole song's about coca. About coca. Crystal.
All right, we're back in the shop. We're back and loaded in. You guys have seen it now in action, the way it was when we first bought it. And now we're gonna be doing all our work to it. We're gonna be doing our boost and all that stuff. Clean this whole thing up so you guys can win a badass boosted single cab Sierra that makes 850 horsepower. This thing is ready to go for it. And we're gonna go show you guys the whole build because everything that you see here will be available on the website. Everything you see here can also be yours. Make sure you buy this shirt. 100x entries. So good luck on the giveaway. Good luck on seeing your guys' build right here in person. Make sure you comment down below. I wanna see what you guys think of this thing. You guys did not a bad job on doing their first, like Trent did his first burnout and first donut in this video, and we got it documented. Not bad for his first time. And I can't really wait to show you guys how much better it is with the power that we've added, and also the suspension and things that we dial in to perfect it for really to you guys, because this can be a drag truck, show truck, fast, whatever, burnout truck, or anything you want it to be, just a cruiser. So this is all of the above. It'll be set up for whatever you need it to be. So that's it. End of the video. Fun field trip. If you guys want to see more of that, comment down below. Let us know. One last thing. The Caprice giveaway ended, and we did really good on that. So we really appreciate you guys' support. The winner will be announced on August 12th. That's this coming Tuesday. So make sure you're in our YouTube and also Instagram live. We're gonna be live on both. We already calculated all the winners from all the giveaway entries and also the mail-ins and all that stuff. So we have all that sorted. We're compiled everything, and it's ready for a winner to be picked. So we wanted to make sure that we just give enough time for you guys to know when we'll be live. It's our very first giveaway, and we want to make sure that we do it right and make sure everybody's in because it matters, and we want to be truthful to it. So good luck on the giveaway on that Caprice. Good luck on the giveaway on this one, and then we got a lot more coming up. So please make sure you support us, give us a thumbs up and a like, subscribe if you haven't yet. Good luck and stay boosted. See ya.